Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new note on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on this plus icon down below, and now you are ready to create a new document. Here you need to type in your title, and then you are free to create your note by typing in whatever you want. As you can see, there are various options down below. You can tap on this plus icon and insert a photo, drawing, recording, tick boxes. You can change the background here. You can pin your document by this icon at the top of the screen, set a reminder, and you can also delete, make a copy, send it to others, add collaborators, and so on. So if you want to save this note, you don't have to press anything else, just simply going back to the previous page by clicking on this button in the left corner of the screen and thereby saving your note here at the home page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.